Hi, in this video I will show you how to reactivate Snapchat account. So process is pretty simple. If you have deactivated your Snapchat account in the past for some reasons and now you want to reactivate your Snapchat account and you don't know how you can basically reactivate your Snapchat account. So if you think this procedure is difficult, like disabling or deactivating your account, then you are wrong. If you want to simply open your account that you have deactivated in the past, simply open your Snapchat mobile application and you have to simply click on the login. Once you will click on the login, it will ask for your login details like email and the password that you are using in the past for login into your account. So you just give these credentials and it will reactivate again. It will not ask for any why you delete your Snapchat account. This type of the question they will not ask. They simply reactivate your account if you give the login details again. So this is the procedure.